friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are diving into a hot topic in 2026. Why more and more people are choosing Serbia over traditional Schengen destinations for migration and relocation. Whether you are planning to move yourself, curious about trends, or thinking of work and life abroad, this video is for you. Let's get right into it. Before we get into the reasons, let's quickly set up the stage. The Schengen area, countries like Germany, France, Spain are often seen as dream for migrants for decades. But in 2026, a notable shift is happening. More people are exploring places like Serbia, a Balkan country, a unique mix of European lifestyle, culture, and opportunity. But why is it so? Reason 1. Simpler relocation and residence options. One of the biggest draws to Serbia is how easier and more straightforward it is for many people to get a temporary residence permit, work remotely, or set up a business compared to Schengen immigration routes, which can be long and bureaucratic. Especially for freelancers, digital nomads, and entrepreneurs, being able to move and start legal status with less hassle is a huge plus. Reason 2. Low cost of living. Serbia is not in the Eurozone, and that means daily life is much more affordable than living in major cities like Paris or Berlin. Rent, groceries, cafes, and even commute are often cheaper, giving people breathing room to adapt financially and enjoy while they settle in. Reason 3. Friendly culture and easier social integration. A lot of newcomers say that the Serbian vibe is relaxed and welcoming. People are friendly, the pace is calmer, and daily adaptation feels less stressful than moving straight to a big Western European city. Reason 4. Business and tax advantages. Serbia offers one of the lowest corporate tax rates in Europe. That's super appealing for small businesses and freelancers who want to set up shop in Europe but without the heavy structure of Schengen economies. Reason 5. Strategic geography and access to Europe. Serbia isn't part of the Schengen zone. That means different rules. But its geographic location in the Balkans means you are still in Europe. Many people see it as a stepping stone, living in Serbia while building a path to long-term status or travel options in EU countries. Reason number 6. Growing expat and remote work scene. In cities like Belgrade and Novi Sad, international communities and remote work cultures are growing fast. With co-working spaces, meetups, and multinational people already calling Serbia home. So, there you have it. A snapshot of why Serbia is on a lot of people's radars right now as a migration destination. So friends, this brings us to the end of our brief and informative video about why more and more people are choosing Serbia than the traditional Schengen countries for relocation in 2026. I hope you liked the video. If you got value out of this video, then please like, comment, and share the video. And for more information, log on to our website. We'll mention the link in the description below. Thank you for watching this video. This is Ashutosh Jha signing off. Until next time.